Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick video on how to install a ZL1 add-ons for my Toyota Supra. It's pretty much like a rock guard to protect your paint from any kind of rock chips. So this is what it comes with. There's two more they already installed, so I'm just gonna make a quick video. It takes about an hour most if you have to jack up your car for the rear. Some people can do it without, but I prefer jacking it up to give you more space. I'll explain to you in a little bit. So first thing first, you want to jack up your car to access to the uh, rear wheel well, because there's three bolts here, one, two, and three. And when you put the spacer on, you won't be able to reach it without jacking up your car. You probably don't have to take your tires off, but we'll see. So first of all, the second step is to remove these three clips right here for the rear. Okay, so to remove the rear wheel, the wheel nuts here, you're gonna use 8 millimeters, just a regular socket, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So after you remove that, you're gonna just the bigger one. There's two sizes. The small one is for the front. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this little spacer right here, and this big white spacer goes behind. So you just put right here and that, and align it to the hole, just like that. So and then you just right here and screw it on tight to hold it. So this what you do, is just hold it up in one place, because this thing bend easily. And then the second one, you want to use the one in the bottom instead of the one in the middle, because it's easier. You see how much space we got here? That's why it's easier to take the tires off. There's no way you can um, put it on without jacking the car up, for sure, unless you got a little girly hand or something. So I'm just gonna take the wheels off, since I got a wheel lock nuts, OEM. I'm gonna get one of these keys right here, and it's gonna be size 18 millimeters right here to remove the wheels. Now with a lot more space, you can actually work on easier than having to juggle your little big fingers, little manly fingers in there. So like I said, put the spacer right here behind. Boom. And try to screw it in. So that's it. So tighten it up. So this is pretty much the finished products on the rear side. So for the front, first thing first, you gotta turn your wheel so it's the side that you want to work on. So if your driver's side, you're gonna turn towards your driver's side. So you gotta give more space to the wheel well. So there's 4 rivets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To take the rivet out, you gotta, there's a small hole here, right there, small circle, but you have to punch it out to remove it. Punch it out. So after you punch it out, just gonna use clip removal tool, take it out. Also small flathead screwdriver, and pry it out. See how easy it is. So now for the installation process, instead of going over like this, we're gonna go in between, and it comes with the rivets. So I'm gonna put it right here in between. And then just line it up. So you get everything lined up. Just knock it out. Let's start from the middle. Outer ones. And do all four. And you're all done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.